Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll tackle a common problem that can arise when running a JPA non-native query and dealing with pagination. The problem occurs when the query is executed with default pagination settings, causing the logger to throw some unexpected exceptions related to name parameters. Now, let's delve into the solution for this issue. By including a specific property in your application.properties file, you can suppress verbose parameter binding logs in Spring Data JPA. This simple configuration helps to keep your log files clean and concise by only displaying errors during query parameter binding, which is particularly useful in production environments. Remember to use the following code snippet: logging.level.org.springframework.data.jpa a repository.query to query parameters setter equals error. In summary, by implementing the provided solution, you can effectively manage and suppress unnecessary logging of exceptions related to parameter binding in your Spring Data JPA queries. This not only helps in maintaining clean log files, but also streamlines the troubleshooting process in production environments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. Hit the like button if you found this video useful, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any questions. Until next time, happy coding!